Hi boys and girls. Today for language arts we're going to do a little grammar lesson. We're going to be talking about plurals, so I'm going to turn it for you to see. Plurals. A plural is more than one. So when we say plural, we mean more than one thing. For example, if I have the noun hat, the plural is hats. So one hat, two hats. One light, two lights. One chair, two chairs. So these are the plurals. And sometimes when we have more than one, all we have to do is add an S to the end of the word. So you see how we had hat, H-A-T. Over here, to make it more than one, all we did was add the S. Hats, hat, hats. Light, lights. Chair, chairs. But then in the English language, we also have something that's called irregular plurals. What that means is that the word changes when we're talking about more than one. I know it could be a little bit tricky, but I'm going to show you. So instead of adding the S, we actually have to change the word for it to mean more than one. So right now I'm going to need you to pay close attention to the words that I show you, because afterward, you're gonna play a little game. You're gonna play against me. So for example, one woman, two women. So you see how the word changed? Woman, women. So this is an irregular plural because we had to change the word a little bit. Woman, women. Okay. Next we have one foot, 2 feet. 1 foot, 2 feet. You see how they look different? This is 1 foot, feet. So in order to make it more than one, we had to change the word a little bit. It went from foot to feet. Next we have man. 1 man, 2 men. 1 man, 2 men. Then we have child. 1 child, 2 children. 1 child, 2 children. We wouldn't say 2 childs. I wouldn't just add an S there. That's why it's irregular, because I can't just add an S there. It would sound weird. 2 childs? 2 children. Then we have mouse. 1 mouse. 2 mouses? 2 mice. 1 mouse, 2 mice. So you're just looking at the word right here. Now we have fish. This one's tricky. 1 fish, 2 fishes. We don't say 2 fishes. We say 1 fish, 2 fish. Did it change? No. So it's irregular because we don't add an S. It's 1 fish, 2 fish. It stays the same no matter how many we have. We could have 3 fish, 4 fish, 5 fish, 100 fish. It doesn't change. 1 person, 2 persons? 1 person, 2 people. 1 person, 2 people. Tooth. 1 tooth, 2 teeth. Teeth. So it had to change. 1 tooth, 2 teeth. 3 teeth, 4 teeth, 5 teeth. And then we have leaf. 1 leaf, 2 leaves. 1 leaf, 2 leaves. Scarf. 1 scarf, 2 scarf, 2 scarves. 1 scarf, 2 scarves. Sheep. 1 sheep, 2 sheeps. 2 sheep. 1 sheep, 2 sheep. It doesn't change. 1 sheep, 2 sheep, 3 sheep, 4 sheep, 5 sheep. It won't change. And we're back at the beginning. So now that we've gone over them, we're just gonna play for fun, just to see how many of these you know. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get a sheet of paper and you're gonna draw like a box. Actually, no, you don't need to draw the box, I'm sorry. You're just gonna get a sheet of paper and you're gonna number it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because there's 10 points that you could earn, okay? So, when I call a word, if you can guess what the plural is, you don't have to write it, you're just gonna guess it. If you get it right, if you get both of these right, then you can give yourself a point. If you don't get it right, then I get a point, okay? So let's see how many you can get. So the first one is woman. You don't need to write it. I want you to tell me what's the plural. 1 woman, 2, what is it? 2 women. You don't need to write it, but if you said it right, you can give yourself a point. And then we have 1 foot. Can you guess the plural? 1 foot, 2 foots? No, 2 feet. If you said it right, give yourself a point. 1 man, 2 mans, 2 men. 1 child. What's the plural? 2 childs? 1 child, 2 children. If you said it right, give yourself a point. 1 child, 2 children. Mouse. 1 mouse. 2 mouses? No, 2 mice. Fish. 1 fish. 2. Remember, this was a tricky one. 1 fish, 2 fish. Good job. If you got it right, give yourself a point. 1 person. 1 person, 2 people. 1 tooth. 2 tooths? No. 1 tooth, 2 teeth. If you said it right, give yourself a point. Okay, 2 more. 1 leaf. 2 leaves. If you said it right, give yourself a point. And our last one, 1 sheep, 2 sheep. Give yourself a point if you got it right. Good job. So if you did really, really well, good job. And if you didn't do so well, good job. This was just a practice, just for fun, but I challenge you, if you didn't do so well on it, I challenge you to watch the video again and play again and see if you can get a better score. Okay? Bye-bye.